Before talking about my Bitcoin trades today, let's just quickly take a look on the S&P 500 chart. We can see that today was a really red day. We can see on the weekly chart a succession of red candles. We are heading directly towards the minus 20% from the all-time high level. So this was a pretty bad. Today was around, we experienced a loss of more than 2%, almost 3%. So there it is, S&P 500 for you, with an RSI almost in oversold, and the MACD showing a continuation of the bearish momentum, right? So obviously it's not looking very good to the S&P 500. If we take a look on the DXY, the dollar index inversely is showing a strong movement to the upside during the past weeks. We are reaching some sort of resistance over here. The RSI is clearly overbought, and the MACD still shows a continuation of the bullish momentum. Let's take a look on the daily for the DXY. We can see more clearly that there is a build up here on this range, we could say. So yeah, most likely we will be within this range for tomorrow and maybe the next day, maybe even during this week. But for tomorrow specifically, I expect it to drop down a little bit. So the dollar, I expect it to drop down a little bit tomorrow, maybe down to this dashed gray line here, the support, which would represent some sort of relief to the crypto markets, right? So as we can see here, there's almost a death cross on the MACD, a clear loss of bullish momentum, with the the RSI almost in overbought. Maybe some people could argue that we would have a bearish divergence on the RSI. That's also a hypothesis that could reiterate the fact that my trades, my Bitcoin trade, I might let it a bit more tomorrow. But this potential bullish divergence, I'm sorry, this potential bearish divergence, I don't believe it will go down past this support over here, and if it does, it will certainly hit this diagonal support over here or even the red Fibonacci line. In any case, my Bitcoin trade, I have three levels that I decided to buy: 30K, 29K, and 28K. All three are psychological levels. And as you can see, the first trade, the first position was executed, the 30K. So let's just zoom it a little bit. My 30K position was executed. It was executed tonight, I think. Anyways, I have a profit over here. It's currently, since it's a 30x leverage, it's currently around 100% on profit. I believe I will reach the targets. Number one, because the DXY, as we just saw, will probably slow down a little bit tomorrow and decrease a little bit, which will allow the crypto market to breathe. But yeah, if I close this, if I let this run, if the Bitcoin really gains momentum tomorrow and starts displaying force by eventually breaking this that's 236 Fibonacci line to the upside, I might let a runner, but I will certainly close at least 50% of this position tomorrow, if not all of it. In any case, we need to be careful because this is obviously a bearish structure, and this can be just a relief rally, although we do have some positive points. For example, this is a bullish engulfing pattern that we can see on the 4-hour chart, and a clear loss of bearish momentum on the MACD. The RSI also is extremely oversold. Although we have all these positive points, the dollar, I probably forgot to mention this, but we can see potential a potential bullish flag. So I'll leave this orange line from the bearish divergence. I will leave it there. So I'll just draw my flag. So I have my potential bullish flag or bullish pennant. If this plays out, the technical targets, it will be around here, 106. So this is clearly bullish. Okay, the dollar is clearly bullish in my opinion, despite of the bearish divergence that you can see here on the RSI. To me, it looks clearly bullish. So although it might fall down a little bit tomorrow, which will represent a relief rally, a relief on the crypto markets, I don't expect to be holding a long position on Bitcoin for more than a few days, because this really looks like it's going to go up, still go up. So the dollar FX, it will eventually. I think this bullish pennant will eventually play out. So for my Bitcoin trades, I will be very happy if this target is met. This will be already a good profit for me. And I will actually be looking to open more short positions around the .236 region. Okay, so this is my game plan for the week. I hope you have enjoyed. Bye.